Wagwan guys, in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to fool AI detectors easily. AI written content is becoming increasingly common and the need to ensure that it passes detection systems is actually growing every day. Whether you are writing a blog post or an essay or an article, making your work feel human is very critical. That is what is referred to as humanized content in this season, where AI content floods everywhere. If you have ever wondered how to trick AI detectors, a tool called Bypass GPT claims that they can help your AI generated content slide under the radar, even when checked by Turnitin or Originality.ai. To put this to test, I created a blog post with GPT-4. I prompted the GPT to make it fun, friendly, and slightly humorous. The idea was to make it sound like something you would read on a casual blog, The question on my mind was, would the generated result bypass AI detection test? So I tried it out and here is what I observed. I ran the original test through some AI detectors, including GPT-0 and CopyLeaks. It was flagged as 50% AI generated. Some tools passed it, but others, like Turnitin and Originality.ai, needed to be more convinced as they could detect that it's AI written. So I needed to make further changes to the article. I selected the enhanced mode in Bypass GPT after pasting the AI written article. I expected the AI written content to appear completely human in this mode. So in a matter of seconds, the tool actually made on a few changes and changed the text. So I reran the article through the same detector after I had it revised with Bypass GPT. It output the following. GPT-0 passed it as fully human written. CopyLeaks rated it as 100% human. Originality.ai, it got an 85% original score, well within the human range. I noted that Turnitin AI detector and Originality AI are the most complex system in this AI detection game. They are so hard to fool into thinking an AI written content is human written. While I feel that Bypass GPT is worth trying, look up their reviews on platforms like Trustpilot before making your final decision. You can try it for free before deciding whether you want to jump all in to pay them, and I think they have a 3 days money back guarantee also. So if it doesn't work how you need it, you can request a refund without an hassle. That is their promise though. If you are a student working on assignment, a creator, or even someone juggling professional writing tasks, Bypass GPT could be a useful tool which not only help you pass AI detection, but it also sharpens your writing along the way to make it sound more natural. Another tool that claims to help you humanize your AI content is a website called commontools.org, but I tried it out. When I tested the result that it generated with QBot free AI detector, the so-called humanized content was detected as 100% AI. Talking of QBot, it has a free paraphrasing feature that has been around long before the popularity of AI in 2023. I knew about it in 2018 or so. This feature can help make your AI generated writing less AI. In all, refining your AI written content yourself remains the best bet for now. I stand to be corrected or informed. If you have used an AI detection or a Bypass AI software or tool for humanizing your content before, please, you can drop a comment below. Let's learn from one another. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.